Other news, my boy just came and blessed me with some brand new tow mirrors. Brand new in the box. Tow mirrors. So we about to throw these on. Stay tuned. Got them two. I'm gonna take this one off. Right here. And then we got the third one off. Get this bracket off a little bit. Let's get this cord out. We got it fully out. We got the 3 bolts out. See? Got that thing off of there. This new one out. Ready to go. Nice and clean. Brand new. Is it fully on there? Thing looks so much better. And they extend. So now when I tow the boat and the jet ski, it'll be easier to handle. It's crazy. Homie came through. Shit looks sick. Put this all one up. So this is the passenger side. I got the driver's side done. Got it completely off. Plastic and the thing off. Super dirty. But got that one off. Put the brand new one in. The fresh joints, brand new. Got it back on there smooth. Got this thing on here nice and A1. Like that. I'll be able to see much better when I tow the boat or even the jet ski now. This thing is perfect. I just need my wheels, get the big mud kit, but it came out pretty dope. That's how it extends, just like that. You push it in. Thanks for watching. Man, these tow mirrors are so much better, dude. I can't even explain it. Like, and I don't even have the trailer or anything on me, but just how much better I can see than those regular mirrors I had. These are so much better. I cannot wait to tow something now, dude.